Hello, 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 people. Coming to you live from the above. I want to say hello to my brothers and sisters, to the north, to the south, to the east, to the west of Africa continent. But anyway, this is just shocking, man. That's why people, you need to do your research, you need to read. Yeah, especially these days, easier, you know. Everybody probably got a mobile phone, which you can get on Google, YouTube. So it's always good to learn, especially brothers and sisters in Africa. You need to check us a story or history or history to learn more about it because it's good to know. I didn't know my my history. So because I study all the Europeans, the history and stuff, all like the European discovered the way to America, the way to India or to Africa. How can you discover a place that when there's already people living there? So I don't understand that. Anyway, let's move on to the next topic, which is about the vaccine. So this is just some great news. As I was thinking from the beginning, either this was a human made or it just came from nature. But my thought was this was human made. So anyway, let's go to the next matter, which is I was just watching this video by Dr. Andrew Kaufman. So he's been investigating this COVID-19, and it turns out the scientists they've been doing the test wrong, and they've been just like sampling wrong doesn't add up. So he's been looking at this. So everything, people dying from accidents in America, or even here, the government, the government advising doctors and in the mortuary to just sign COVID-19. People dying from other health issues. They just that's I believe I even read on either read on government website or I think yeah, or the letter was some received. Anyway, so there's some people testing negative, don't that have COVID-19, people that uh, test positive don't have COVID-19. So there's a lot of cover up going on. And I know some people still think it's a conspiracy theory, but it's not. There's a lot of stuff going on behind the scene. Anyway, this Dr. Andrew has proved this scientist has just been messing up. And from somehow the whole thing is is covered up because uh, it's just unbelievable. I'm gonna put a link to their video because on the description so you can check it out for yourself. His name is Dr. Andrew Kaufman. Kaufman, yeah, and he had an interview with London Real, which is a free channel where I believe Dr. Dave Hike had an interview demystifying COVID-19. Guess what YouTube done? They block him. They kick him out from YouTube. when you don't when you don't want people to know stuff, they will kick you out. They block you. So there's a lot of things been going on since especially if you say, oh, COVID-19 got to do with the 5G, they will block you out straight away. So you better don't mention those words. Anyway, so it's not funny at all, but it's just crazy what's going on. So God bless you all. I hope you keep it real and stay safe. To my brothers and sisters, north to the south, stay safe. Oh, God bless. Check it out, the link description.